if the burden of this care, जो आपने बातें कही, to some extent
Absolutely.
can be given, that portfolio can be translated to them, I think you are really creating a very insurmountable civilization for that
You
matter.
hit the right chords, you know. I mean,
Hmm.
our children are oozing with energy and with love and affection. They are the innocent hearts and the talented young minds. जिसे हम कहते हैं कि उनको अगर आपने ब्लड प्रेशर नापना सिखा दिया, शुगर मेजर करनी सिखा दी, और उनको मेडिसिन का चार्ट दे दिया, विद योर सुपरविजन ऑफ कोर्स, they are sensitized into caring
And
for
the
their
point of care technology is so very advanced these days, and youngsters are
absolutely,
so very tech savvy. So they would really
absolutely.
love to operate upon
And
those.
you
Yeah.
have created another layer of security, sentinel around the elderly. And
Hmm.
believe you me, that the elders, the energy and vitality of the young children, it heals them like anything. And
Hmm.
this is the essence of the bond between the three generations. I
Hmm.
mean, the middle generation has to go out to
वो तो
work.
कहते हैं the modern definition of family has to be amended a bit in the civilizational context of सनातन भारत, कि जिस छत के नीचे तीन पीढ़ियां रहती हैं वही एक परिवार है, वही वास्तव में एक घर है. इट हैज टू बी सीन इन दैट फैशन. जॉइंट फैमिली हो या ना हो, but at least the elders, the parents and the young kids, I think that creates the triumphant triad to
Yes, and
win
that
over.
is
Yeah.
that is why in schools we are celebrating the grandparents day. In so many schools they're inviting
Hmm.
the grandparents to come and speak at the forums, at the assemblies, schools
And
assembly.
Dr. Surbi, you mentioned very, very well that wisdom is transferred from one generation apart. जो कहते हैं ना कि hop करके, because parents are so very busy in their professional commitments that they really don't have that time and the warmth and the kind of and then a second parenthood comes to the grandparents for that matter.
Gee,
Hmm.
that's true, that's true. So
Dr. Surbi, there's
um,
a yeah, please, please.
coming to the in-home care, there's another aspect I would like to add here.
Hmm.
There are a lot of gadgets today available in the market. The medical
Hmm.
appliances, the
Hmm.
care orthopedic the orthopedic care instruments like the kneecaps, like the collar, pillows, the various kinds of aids which ease the mobility, which ease the activities of daily living. So, do not hesitate to, in fact, rather go a step further, care for them, go that extra mile and care for them in various facets. I even say this, that why not you should do a manicure for your mother-in-law. I
Oh,
mean,
oh, oh,
why a
oh,
beauty parlor is only for the young women? Just
oh.
do a manicure for them. Just give them a royal hand massage, and that mother will bless you like anything. When we do that royal care, the family becomes a temple. It becomes a blissful, bastion. When you are, आपके फेस्टिवल्स आते हैं, करवा चौथ होती है, आप वाइफ के लिए गिफ्ट्स खरीदते हैं, वाइफ हस्बैंड के लिए गिफ्ट्स खरीदते हैं, आप क्या मदर इन लॉ को एक जेमस्टोन गिफ्ट नहीं कर सकते? उनको एक सिंबल of your love, your devotion. It really, it touches their hearts. They may not
Mhm.
say it, and I will
Mhm.
again say, elderly persons often do not express, but in
Mhm.
their hearts, it is the divine powers which is witnessing it all. So trust you me, care for them. और जब वो 100 years, 95 years जीते हैं, तो आपकी ही तो श्रृंखला आगे बढ़ती है, आपकी ही तो धरोहर, वो छत्र छाया आपके ऊपर बनी रहती है. How
Mhm.
blessed are those families where the elderly persons are living long. And I think it is not a matter of just medical care. It is lot more to it, because medical care in itself encompasses emotional care, social care, personal care. Say for example, soaps हैं, आप बेदिंग के लिए soaps लाते हैं.